In today's video, we're going to go ahead and review the strategy of estimation with decimals and whole numbers. So, in order to estimate, we're going to go ahead and take it by 4 steps. So the first step will be to underline the place value that we're rounding. In this example, we're going to round to the nearest hundredths place. So I'm going to underline the decimal there. And the next thing that I will do is box in the place value that I'm rounding and the digit next to that place value. So I box in the 7 and the 2. Okay. The next thing that I would do is finally round, okay, the given number inside the box. So in this case, we have 72. So I'm going to round that 72 to the nearest tens, right? Because here we see that we have 72. So 72 will be between 70 and 80. So we know that 72 is closer to 70. Okay. So I'm going to bring down the 7, right? And then the very last step, which is the 4th step, will be to turn any numbers to the right to 0, and any numbers to the left are going to stay the same. Okay. So the closest number that this is rounded to will be 6 and 870 thousandths. Okay. We'll do another example. Right. So here we have, we'll do 9,449. Okay, I'm going to round to the nearest hundredths. So here we have our 4 and our place value of hundredths. And then I'm going to go ahead and box in that place value and the digit next to it. Now I'm going to go ahead and round this number. Here I have 44. I know that 44 is closer to 40 compared to 50. So that turns to a 4. Remember, all the digits to the right are going to turn to 0. And all the digits to the left are going to stay the same. So this number estimated to the nearest hundred will be 9,400. Okay. I'll do one more example here. So here I have 8 and 36 hundredths. Okay. So in this number, I'm going to round to the nearest tenths. So I'm going to underline my place value. I have to recognize which one is my tenths. I'm going to go ahead and box in that digit and the digit next to it to the right. And now I see here that I have 36. Well, right, I have to figure out where does 36 fall in between. Well, it falls between 40, 30, and 40. Okay. Well, I know that 36 is a lot closer to 40. So I'm going to change that 3 to a 4. Okay. Digits to the right turn to 0. Digits to the left will stay the same. So this number estimated to the nearest tenths will be 8 and 4 tenths, or 8 and 40 hundredths.